Hi. This week I saw a video on YouTube where somebody shows that it's possible to connect a stylophone to a Volca Modular and sequence the stylophone with a Volca. You can also play the keyboard to control your stylophone. If you already have a way to control your Volca with external keyboard, with this way it's going to be possible also to control the stylophone. In my opinion, this video doesn't show very well how you make this possible, so I decided to make this video. I will leave a link in the description for this video. So let's start it. You're gonna need a mini jack cable, stereo or a mono, doesn't matter. In this case we're gonna use the mono, and you plug it into the aux in the stylophone. In the Volca you plug it in the CV in. You can also plug it in the sync out. If you plug it in the sync out, you're gonna hear the pops called from the clock from the Volca in the stylophone. That can be useful and interesting, but for now we're just gonna leave it in the CV in. The reason for this connection is that both devices have the same ground. Then we're gonna take the from the clock audio rate output, and you plug it in the B. It has to be the B. And then you take the output from the A plus the multiplication B on C, and that you're gonna plug into the stylus or connect to the stylus. You put this knob almost all the way up, and then you plug the Volca in, turn it on, and if you connect stylus to the output, then you start to hear the stylophone. And if I play the keyboard, but if you take a piece of tape, you can connect both, or if you have something like this, you can one end to your stylus, the other end to the output from the Volca. Delay out. If you don't hear anything in the lower note, you can put in the up scale here in the Volca, and then put again the low register in the stylophone. You can try to tune it. It's like that. How I said before, you can fine tune here also. Okay, the notes are not quantized, but we are in the West Coast. Let's record a sequence. Let's turn off the Volca. Let's bring the Volca in. Just turn on the delay. Okay, another example. For example, okay. Thank you for watching. Hope that it was helpful. If you're interested, maybe I'm going to do another video with some ideas to auto-modulate here the C. If you're interested, please leave a comments below. Hope you like it. Please go away and try it. Have fun, make some music. See you next time.